still waiting on my tripod, so facing backwards again. But today I wanted to do Rapunzel's braid from Tangled. So Rapunzel gets her 75-foot long hair off the ground by braiding it a lot to raise up. So it's a really enormous braid, and of course I'm not going to be able to completely accurately do it, but can get an effect that is similar. Let's get to the actual braiding. I'm going to start with 2 lace braids on either side of my head. So I'm going to be French braiding, but only taking hair in from the bottom and not the top. Let me just say along my hairline. And we'll do that to about here, a little bit behind the ear, and then continue on with a regular braid. For the other side, I'm going to try to give it a little bit of a swoop first. Let's see if I can manage that. No, not worth it. That's not going to look good. Alright, so same as before, a French lace braid. Okay, now I'm going to cross these over, oops, and bobby pin them. I just dropped one of my bobby pins. There's a hairpin on the other side. Okay, now this part is very much inspired by Kaylee Melissa. She did the lace braids too. I had already thought of that one, but I hadn't thought of this part, which I think is a pretty neat way of doing these accent braids. So, regular 3-strand braid. Get it started here. Now, I'm going to take this braid on this side and pull it around. And this braid on this side, pull it around. And then another regular braid stitch. This side, pull it around. This side, pull it around. Take it over my shoulder, but remember what I'm doing. Always the trickiest part. And then I'm just going to try to do a little bit of pancaking, puffing this out a little bit. And now the finishing touch, my little Pascal. So he's just decorative in there, but too perfect for a Rapunzel braid. All right, I'm gonna go get some pictures. Be sure to check the link in the description box to sign up for my weekly roundup newsletter. You're going to get a few goodies like an exclusive hairstyle tutorial, a free printable, and the opportunity to purchase my ebook, Hair Oils and How to Use Them, at half price. So again, link is in the description box, and I look forward to seeing you next time.